Hey, Valentine's Day might be over, but over here, the vibes don't expire. Welcome to Jazz Bar, where the music is smooth and the drinks are even smoother. Tonight, my wife, Angel, and I are just sharing what we got up to behind the bar. 3 dangerously good cocktails, 3 to 5 ingredients each, made while we were just vibing out in the bar, man. And whether it's date night, random Tuesday, or just you and some peace and quiet, these drinks work. The 3 cocktails we're showcasing in this video are a strawberry cheese shortcake martini, a pomegranate bliss martini. And for bourbon lovers like myself, Angel's gonna attempt to make me a smoked brown buttered old fashioned. Now, we thought these drinks perfectly represented Valentine's Day, as they're sweet, flirty, and sneaky. Friendly reminder, we provide the cocktails. What happens 9 months later, that's on you. Alright, let's dive in. Strawberry cheese shortcake martini. This one was actually recommended by some of my coworkers. So if it's bad, we're blaming them. They told me to make this one first. Why? Because apparently it represents me. Compact. Small footprint. Real smart shortcake. I would say it's more because I'm impactful, right? Short but impactful and efficient. No wasted space, right? Right? Yeah, that's how we gonna take it. Some cocktails come from old bars. This one comes from people who like desserts and good company.
Lately I've been searching for someone that's true and beautiful as you.
Like a dessert drink.
I've been dreaming for someone that's true and beautiful as you. So pure and golden, God like you know it. Heavens were open, quiet is rejoicing. We had a love that sat on the moon.
So overall, this was a great drink. Tasted like a strawberry cheesecake with liquor in it that you can drink. So I'll give it a 3 out of 5 just because of how much prep it needed. But this is definitely a great drink. Let's get into the next one. Next up, the Pomegranate Bliss Martini. Pomegranate has been a symbol of love and romance for thousands of years. So it only makes sense it ended up in the martini. That would be funny. One will come. that. So this one versus the other one, which one you choose?
So pure and golden.
This one's more like a drink, right? This other one's more like a dessert.
Dessert, yeah.
You like this one better?
Yeah.
Sat on the moonlight, swam in the ocean with so much devotion. Lately,
Right. You take brown butter fashion or bake or hubby. Okay, so let's start with the brown butter. Cause what's better than butter?
Take. It's a little bit. Yeah, sure.
That's one.
That's good. No.
That's it.
Yeah. Now put it on the wood.
It burning.
Yeah.
so pure and golden. God, like you know it. Heaven's the road.
It's such a cool.
Wow.
We had love. Sat on the moonlight, swam in the ocean with so much devotion.
Ready?
Ready, yeah.
Set.
It's good. Wanna try it?
Okay.
Delicious. Now you can finally
Cheers.
try it. You taste the brown butter.
Oh.
It's good, right?
No, it's good. It's not too strong.
It's not too strong.
Oh, it's good.
The brown butter, you can taste the caramel. Right?
Yeah.
It's a good burger, right?
Ooh, yeah. I like it.
Yeah.
Super.
Cheers. Yummy. Alright, cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers, y'all.